Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on right now at your local Home Depot. So, let's dive in. Well, today, guys, we're going to check out some of these deals right here at Home Depot. We start with some Ryobi deals. We have a bunch of new deals and a bunch of new items for sale. They've redone the store at my store, and you can see a bunch of these Ryobi deals getting ready for springtime. So they have a bunch of other just springtime accessories, from trimmers to blowers and a bunch of outdoor tools. So we can see a few of these are on sale right here for Ryobi. We have some other outdoor options on sale. I like these little pruning saws. These little pruning chainsaws are really nice. I use one pretty much anytime I'm going to be cutting things, and it works great. You can see right here you have your choice for $300, or so you have the outdoor items for $150, and then also the other ones for $99. Then if you need a little bit smaller trimmer, you have another edge and trimmer here for $79, or the blower. I have a Ryobi blower, and they work really well. Works great for us. So you can see a bunch of these are available. I also had some Makita blowers. So a bunch of these are out and available right now. This wasn't really on sale, but I did want to show you just kind of the deals that they had. This one's down to $219 here, which is a little bit of a discount. And then you get to save about $50 here on this weed trimmer. So again, get to save some money on that one. You have this little brush cleaner here for Ryobi. And then also another combo for the trimmer and the blower. So if you have a little bit smaller yard, definitely a great one for you right there. Works really well. You will need probably some extra batteries. They had a bunch of their lawnmowers on sale, down to $399 here for the 18-volt 1 Plus. You also have the pole saw for $130. I really love my pole saw. I like that it has the extension right there. Little hedge trimmer here for $100. Another great option. Then they have the cultivator for $350, and the 18-volt 1 Plus blower for $99. Pretty good price for that one, especially if you have just a few things you need to knock out. 13-inch string trimmer and an edger, $100 there. They also have the 40-volt brushless 20-inch self-propelled mower kit, $399. So if you need one of those, again, Ryobi's a solid deal. They're definitely going to do a good job for you. And a couple other options right here. We've seen some of these, but just wanted to show you all of those. You have the 1 Plus and then also the 40-volt options right there for Ryobi. Then we saw just another kit right here. Your choice for $160, string trimmer kit or the blower, either one. Then we get into a couple other options. We have the Milwaukee chainsaw here. $330. Also the trimmer here for $250. A few other more Ryobi items right here next to it. We got the gutter attachment. I think that's great. If you can reach your gutters, definitely save you some money and do them yourself. We got the pole saw attachment, $79, and also the edger here for $79 as well. All great deals for those. And then a few more kits here, $250 for the string trimmer and the blower there. And then also a few more options, again, in the 40-volt brand, or here, a 40-volt option with Ryobi. More Milwaukee items, a little bit more expensive, but definitely a great buy for these. They're going to last you a long time. We saw some of the trimmers right there. Also see some gloves and the handheld sprayer, $180. A few different options here for clothing and hats and gloves, or excuse me, glasses, little job site fan. And not all of these are on sale, but I just kind of want to show you all the new setups and what all is new out there. $350 here for Milwaukee for the trimmer, or you can buy this kit here for $500. Get this trimmer and the blower. Again, definitely going to do a good job. Have some of the attachments, so it kind of depends on what you might need. Whatever attachment you want, you can buy the kit and then get some of these attachments. And then here is kind of their setup and their sale as well. So all these options, you get the bigger battery here, and then also you get to choose from some of these setups. So if you need the lawnmower, the blower, or just any of these things, you can check those and again, see how much you might need. Then DeWalt had their handheld blower. They've had this one for a couple years now, and it does a really good job. I've heard a lot of people that they really like it. And they also have the string trimmer option as well right here for $180. Pruning saw down to $139, and then also this little max pruner, more like, just like a little snip there for $90. Have the pressure washer here, 2,000 psi. I like this one, pretty small and compact, but $200. Then along with the pressure washer, we have the surface cleaner here with caster wheels, $99, and the bigger option for the pressure washer there for $300. They also had a few more attachments. They have some of these attachments for cleaning items and just a few more attachments as well. Again, these are kind of a newer setup. I haven't seen these in my store. They have some of these, you can see just on the floor there, but a bunch of different attachments, a bunch of different setups. So kind of whatever you might need for DeWalt or Ryobi. We can see, again, a little bit smaller pressure washer here, the 1,800 psi. Definitely a smaller option there. So if you don't have as much space, or if you don't need to do quite as much, you can grab one of those. Then we have the 2,100 psi for DeWalt, $300. Again, small and compact. Looks like a lot of people are going that direction, trying to make some space. Brushless string trimmer here for $250. Again, get the kit. Nice little combo there. Definitely a great job, and DeWalt's definitely going to do a good job for you. Honda had their lawnmowers kind of set out $550. I have a Honda lawnmower. I've had it for like 7 years, and it has worked great. So even though it is a little bit more, it's definitely worth it. And then they had some of their mobile options here down to $90. So if you need some storage options, you want to be mobile, definitely check these out. Then they had a bunch of their shelving on sale. Not a crazy discount, but if you need some shelving storage, you can check these out. You can save about $10 on those. We have a couple of those at our house, and they've worked pretty well. Got a bunch of different things on them. And then they even have some of these totes. So kind of good setup for both of those, whichever ones you might need. And then I think this is a great deal right here. $300 for this Husky like tool storage. I think it's really great. It's small and compact, has everything you need. And $300, it's hard to beat that. I mean, you got a lot of storage, a lot of space. Definitely think it'll do a good job for you. Then you have some filters here for Ryobi. Wet dry vac, $50. I think it's a great little small one to kind of keep in the shop or keep in your house. Starter kit here, if you need the battery, $70. Great price for that one because battery and a charger. Fast charger here, $90 on the job site. Get stuff done quickly. Oscillating blade set, $20. Then you have your choice. So if you want a couple of these different saws, you can check those out for $100. Also had a couple of different small little things. You might want to grab some bits or different stuff like that. So it kind of just depends on what you might need, but pretty good deals on a lot of these. Stud detector, a couple of different batteries there, $130, or the 4-tool kit for $150. Pretty good option, pretty good starter kit there for that one. And then I like these little batteries right here. They have a bunch of little fun tools. They are pretty convenient and pretty easy to use. Little battery clip there for the fan, and even this power cutter. I like that one. I think that'd be super convenient. And this little small screwdriver, great thing to keep in your house. We have the Diamond Grit Impact driving set, $6. I mean, look at that driver right there. I mean, that drill is great, $50. Hard to beat that. Little random orbital sander, angle grinder, jigsaw, and then also the crown stapler as well, $50 for those. And also a couple more bit sets here, great ones to check out. Drill driver there for $80. Then we have some more Milwaukee tools, more hand tools, great little things to keep in your pack or even give as gifts. And then a kneeling pad for $15. Pretty good price on that, but you can find it cheaper at Harbor Freight. Have a couple deals, buy one, get one free. You get this free when you buy this kit. So if you want to buy the kit, then you get a free battery. Definitely, if you're going to be buying some, go and check these out right now. Then a couple more of their deals. They had some free battery when you buy one of those options right there, and then also the free battery for these bigger setups. So it kind of depends, again, what you might need. But if you're going to be buying some stuff right now, make sure you grab one of these batteries. And then, again, another shot at this option here. So get a free battery with the purchase of these tools. So you can buy one of these tools, so the little ratchet, grease gun, or any of these, so it kind of depends on what you might need. And then they have the special buys a little bit further down. So you see that, you get that battery there. Special buys here. Also the 3-tool kit, $250. And then the 18-volt starter kit, $180. Good prices on those. And again, if you guys have never used it, Milwaukee is definitely a great brand. Get one of these tools for free. So if you get the battery, you can get one of these. Good setup, great tools right here. They're definitely going to last you a long time and do a good job with the M18s. And more deals right here. Buy this starter kit and then get one of these tools for free as well. So wet dry vac, like that one. Floodlight, I think I like the wet dry vac better on that one. Then also some of your choices for these blades as well. Some lighting buys if you need some headlamps. Check some of these out. A bunch of different headlamps and setups. Also some just rechargeable lamps. Then we even have some floodlights and more different lights as well. So it kind of just depends on which one you might need, with the setup you might need. You can check those out. Then we also have the whole saw set, $50. And the multi-tool blades here. Also have the 5-tool combo kit, $300 there. And then multiple different other sets here for Milwaukee. So a bunch of different deals going on right now with Milwaukee. I think if you're looking for some of these, definitely a great thing to go ahead and pick up. See what kind of deals they have and what might you need for your job, or even if you just want to kind of start packing up and getting more and more tools, you can definitely grab some of these. These are, again, some pretty good deals. I haven't seen anything that have been killer compared to like the Black Friday stuff that we just had a couple months ago, but definitely still some good ones on these. See some ratchets and some more batteries right there. And then we had the crown stapler, $50 for Ryobi. So guys, the sponsor of today's video is Skil. Just a quick reminder, we are giving away this tool right here, this Skil auto hammer kit. So it has, again, the auto hammer itself. It also has a charger and the battery as well. You can see really nice setup right here. A lot of different features. Compact size, could drive in nails, little magnetic option right here. Even has the light when you do that, and you can even adjust the top, which is really nice. But you can see all the different angles and all the different cool things it does. Has a great option, and it's worth up to $100. So if you're interested in winning this Skil auto hammer, all you're going to have to do is join my free newsletter down below. You can check that link there and put your email in to get just updates from me, just giving you different, again, deals going on. So if you're interested, check out the link down below. And here are a couple deals for DeWalt as well. Got a few lower prices and also some of the special buys. So if you want to pick some of these up, DeWalt's definitely a great brand. Diablo blades, some prices on these. Not a lot of sales on these, but these are some of the best blades out there. And then same thing with Milwaukee. I don't see a lot of sales for some of their merch, but still some of these deals available. A couple different options here for plumbing. Definitely think those are pretty good deals for those. So if you need some, you're not going to get any steals out of these, but you will get some pretty good deals. And some more hand tools as well. Got the hammer, nail puller, pry bar, some more blades right here. A little fastback folding knife, pretty neat right there. And a couple more just small hand tools as well for $10. So again, just kind of depends on what you might be looking for or what you might need. Buy this vacuum right here, the wet dry vac. I think it's pretty cool. And then we have seen these little filter attachments or shop vac attachments. A lot of times they are on pretty deep discount for Black Friday. And then a few more tool deals right here for Milwaukee. And also some more of their merch and other items like that. So kind of depends on what you might need, but a bunch of different deals for a lot of these still available right now. And some gloves, multiple different glove sets, so you can check those out. Again, just the kind of basic gloves right here, but some of those other ones were pretty good. They did have this little combo kit right here I thought was pretty good for Ryobi. Get a drill and the Sawzall, and then also this charger here for Rigid. And then more batteries right here for Ryobi, 50 bucks. They were actually doing inventory at the store I was at this day, and man, it was packed. I've never seen that many staff members. Then even some Makita deals. See some angle grinders here for 140. It's save 50 bucks on that one. Pretty good option, especially if you're a Makita fan. And then a couple different other ones right here for 189. So kind of again just depends on what you might need. And another shot at another set right here for the 140. So a lot of different options for Makita. And here's some more gloves. So if you need some of those, 10 bucks. And then they had some Huskies just on sale, some random pliers. You see all the different plier sets and different things like that. So kind of depends on, again, if you need to grab any of those. Have some toolbox. This is a tough system like I mentioned before. Got some of these mobile options. See some of the DeWalt ones for sale. Ryobi down to 69 bucks. Pretty good price for that one. Again, a lot of these were on sale at Black Friday and kind of Christmas time. So you can see some of these discounts kind of staying around, trying to probably move some of this inventory out of here because so many of these had big sales. But you can see some of these storage options kind of packing together for their brand. So kind of depends on what brand you want to go with, but a lot of these are available. I do think the best option if you're looking for a price is probably one of the Walmart options. I think it's Hart, but again, some of these are still good, and some of these totes are pretty good too. So if you need some of these for just storage. And then they also had a bunch of their vanities on sale. So you always want to check and see what they might have available at your store, but they had a bunch of these vanities just kind of listed and knocked off. So if you need to, upgrade that little bathroom or any kind of thing like that, always check and see what might be available, because again, these are some pretty good prices on these here at Home Depot. But overall, I think there's some pretty good deals going on right now at your local Home Depot. Make sure you go down below and subscribe to the newsletter so you can have a chance to win one of those free Skil tools. But thanks so much for watching. If this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.